I want to talk about mediation. Mediation is one of the best tools that I have as your attorney to bring your case to a successful conclusion. Mediation is essentially a meeting between the defense attorney, the defense insurance adjuster, the plaintiff or the claimant, and his or her attorney, and a mediator who is essentially a facilitator of negotiation. We typically put both parties in a different room. This works in domestic cases, this works in auto cases, and usually in our world, it's working in a workers' compensation case. Typically, our mediators are retired workers' compensation commissioners. And the whole goal of the mediation is to bring the two sides closer together. Oftentimes, we can settle a workers' compensation case. Oftentimes, there are ways to limit the issues that might be tried in front of a workers' comp commissioner or a judge or a jury. And if we can do just that, we're ahead of the game. I had a commissioner tell me the other day, a retired commissioner who does a lot of mediations, that I bring his average down. Mediators like to settle cases, and they like to have a high batting average of resolved cases, and he told me that I bring his down, but that's good too. You know, we're never afraid to take your case to court, and sometimes the best option for you is to go to court. But if we can sit in a room and decide if perhaps not going as far as a court hearing, if we can resolve all of the issues, the entire case, or just a smidgen of it in a mediation, it's very helpful. And so I have a mediation this afternoon. I'm looking forward to it. I have no idea if it's going to resolve. We've had the opportunity, we've taken the opportunity of the mediation to exchange our initial positions, and we're going to work toward trying to resolve something. If we don't, we'll go to court, and that'll be okay as well. But the mediation process is something that every lawyer should be utilizing, and I try and utilize with as many of my clients as possible.